Hi everyone, it's Patty again. I've had some questions about converting Word to Docs, Google Docs, so I thought I would show you um, how I do it, especially since the big problem with the ones I use is, as you can see here, a lot of images. They're very, very detailed. And if you just start filling in the words, all the pictures go and it becomes a problem. So it takes a little bit more time than just uploading it. So here's what I do. Here's the and Google. Oh, look, it opened up fast. Okay, now Google is opening up this document here, and it's saying open with Google Docs, which is what I'm going to do. But they made a change here, and if you notice, it's got this doc here, DOC. So the first thing I want to do with this is this is going to not save it actually. So the first thing you want to do is File, Save as Google Docs. And Google's a little wonky today, or now it's been a little slow, so bear with the computer as it does its thing. Okay. So now as it loads, you notice that it doesn't have that little blue that this has. So now this is the real one. I'm going to close that. I'm going to close my drive. Okay. All right. So now, if you're putting up a Google Doc so that you can share it with your kids, you don't really need to have all of this on there because the Google Doc automatically names it when it sends it. The name is up here, so you don't need that. So I deleted this just so I could have more room just in case. And then what I decide to do is I found that the kids just start writing and then suddenly it moves the lines. They never get rid of the lines. So what I decided to do instead was to go to the pen, make it red, and add 2 asterisks. And then to make my life a lot easier, I then just copy and paste it. So this is, I gave myself a space on either side. I'm going to copy it and just put it there. And that's all that I do. Now, the way it gets a little bit more complicated for me is my pictures, which I really want them to have. So that's what you have to be careful about. And you can see here, you make some changes. And one of the things I found today was the kids were like, well, what happened? I can't do anything. The image isn't right. And then I just told them, well, what they have to do is just advance. And it'll advance. And this is just being silly here. If it advances down there, get rid of this. And this way it starts at the top of the page and nothing else leaves. Okay, and I just keep going through like this, copy and pasting. I use Command, well, on a Mac, Command V. And I go through. Now, what you will need to do with the pictures is just manipulate them up and down, however you want to do that. In order to do that, to wrap it around, you have an image here. If you click on the image, you've got this puts it in the middle, this puts it on the other side, and this puts it tight so that you can move it and the words go around it, and it should load like that. And what the kids will be able to do when they're listening, when they have to fill it in, is just going back up here and just writing, hi guys, and putting the words in. This way you've known what they filled out, and it can pop out to them and pop out to you as well. Then when you're done with this, you're just going to make sure it's named correctly and it's saved to Google Drive. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I'm going to, oops, totally closed it out, didn't I? Go to my drive. And I'm going to go to where this would be. Hopefully this is going to work out. But it's Google, so one never knows. And that was the Mongols all the way down here. And right, this is the one I did. And that's the Google Docs. Now, one thing I wanted to tell you, which happens sometimes, is when you convert, especially if you're converting something from a PDF to a Word document and then uploading it, if it's got images, the images may come out crazy. So what I usually do with my images from my regular Word doc is I'll right click, I'll say save as, and then I'll save it as something on my computer. In this case, I'm going to save it to where everything else is here. I'm going to say save, and then I'll insert the picture. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, I forgot a stage. I'll upload it to Google Drive. Ah. And then I'll go back to my document, insert image from my drive. And the last one I did should be right here. It says recent. If I even pick the right one. And here's where Google's acting a little odd. Okay, I got to go the long way. Usually it's a little bit quicker. It comes up as recent. And there you go. I grabbed the wrong one, and then you can just put it here. And then you see how you have to now play with it. But at least it comes up pretty accurate. And then you put it on. See how all the words go? So you just have to make sure you have to move all of these down or up. And this is where it becomes a little difficult if you're using a lot of images like I tend to do. And the more you do it, the easier this is. You just know it's just a little time consuming. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope it makes sense. And remember, everything's changed. I did make a video for the kids on how to highlight if they need to, and answer on a Google Doc if anyone's interested. Okay, have a good night. I hope I don't have to. I'll try not to bother you again soon.